I was in a hurry, it was late. I walked in too fast and Babu launched onto my finger and grabbed it. And
So now it's crooked?
Yeah, he wouldn't let go. He also did this the same day.
Beautiful CVPs, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive, and we are right now in the park, and I am back on YouTube. I hope you like my videos. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Oh, there's a baseball game. Guys, I'm gonna let Hope fly, and I'm gonna let him interrupt the game. And everybody, guys, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive. It's good to be back. Here is Love, and here is Hopi. Right there's Hopi, and I am Carolin von Petzholdt. So let's get my birds out and let's get them flying. Okay, come on, everybody ready? Hopi, come, let's go. Oh, it's a beautiful day in sunny California, like always. Oh, it's a real game. Come on, go fly. Get out. Get out of the car. Yeah, go fly. Go fly. Go. Good. Go fly, Hopi. 1, 2, 3, go. To sit somewhere. Where should we sit? I don't know. We can just sit right here. Let's sit right here. Okay. Kapacha. Oh, people are coming, right? Ah, Hopi, Love. Look at that. Hi. Hi. You want to see my parrot? Yeah?
Are they your pet?
Yep, they are my pet. This is Love and this is Hopi. Hope and Love. Yeah. Yeah. This is Rainbow. He's Rainbow and he's a blue macaw. Like your Dodger shirt. Blue. Yeah. Yeah. You guys want a fly race with my parrot? Down the hill and back? Okay. So, line up.
Are they fast?
Yeah, he's really fast. But you guys must be fast too. Okay, line up right here. Line up. Okay, when I say 1, 2, 3, go, you run down and then come back. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. And then come back. There you go. Hi guys. His name is Hope. Don't. He can bite. Never touch parrots. They have big beaks. You guys are good. You want to race too?
Sure.
Okay, line all up. Right here. Line up. Okay, when I say 1, 2, 3, go, you guys run. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. Good. Come on, Hope. Come on. Come on, Hopi. Good. Come on. Good boy. Nice. Nice. Good job.
The blue one.
What about him?
What's his name?
Oh, his name is Love.
Oh.
Love. Yeah.
He's so cute.
I know. Thank you. You guys want to race again?
Sure.
You still have breath in you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
I might break my
We
leg
have to
after.
eat. We have to wait till Hope finish chewing because I just gave him a snack. Okay. Okay.
Dude, look at them.
Hope, you want to go race? Okay, come. 1. When I say 1, 2, 3, go. You guys go. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Go, 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 go. Go race. You guys are cheating. Yay! You guys won. He did another round. Good job. Oh, he wants to sit on the tree. Yeah, he sits on the tree. He's swinging on the tree. Yeah, he's having fun. Come down. Oh! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come down. Come on. Good boy. Nice flying. Yeah. Very nice flying, Hopi. Very nice flying. So yeah, Hope is a rainbow. You see, he's orange in the front and blue and green behind. And look, he's beautiful. He has no blemish or spots. He's just perfect. Perfect colors, perfect condition. He's so healthy and happy.
Rainbow is pretty. He's cute.
Yeah, he's really cute. He's very smart too. What? What did he see? He likes to scream at other birds.
Can you know what they're saying?
Yeah, I know their body language. What? What? See, right now he wants to bite off his GPS. He doesn't like it.
Oh, that's for like when he if she loses it.
Yeah, if there's a hawk coming or if people want to steal him, I know where he is. So that's why he has a GPS, because there's many people who try to steal him. And he's trying to take it off. Yeah, he's very rare. Very expensive too.
Because people can sell them for a lot of money.
Exactly. Hi guys. What's going on?
Which one's smarter?
They're both smart. They're both smart, but he's older. Oh, love, what's going on? Stay there. Yeah? Stay there. Good. Good boy. Good. So many people. Hi. Hi. Hi guys. Hi.
I know my Theo, he had one, like a little small parrot though. But their cat they had over there ate it.
What? Your cat ate your bird?
No, my Theo, he had a parrot, and then the cat over there that they had ate it.
Oh, that's so. Was it a wild parrot he caught? Or
I
found?
think so.
Oh, that's so sad. Hoppy, what are you doing? Hoppy, what are you doing?
You need a mark in it.
Look, oh. Hoppy likes the highest spot on my head. I think Hoppy wants to go home. Hoppy, you want to go home? Or you want to stay? You want to stay longer? Hoppy, come down.
Wait,
You want to go? Or you want to go fly another round? Okay. He wants to fly another round. Okay guys, this was the vlog. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Go subscribe. I'll see you next time. I hope everything is good. Go check out angelicparrots.com and get my book, How to Train Your Parrots and More. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Later.
Okay, thank you. Concert.
going to have a little refreshment. We have a couple of events that we would love to invite you to. Iced coffee, but you have to add the ice yourself. It's just in a pitcher. We have some lovely homemade hummus by my lovely friend Ronit here. And some vegetables and the other wonderful foods. So please come on to the gate and join us. Oh, a special thank you to my friends Tim, Emily, and Gabby for helping me with all the setup and preparation of the refreshments today. Thank you for joining us.
So, it says Liebte Lieder House. I wonder if they're German, so let's go check it out. Hi. Stop being nippy. I know, right?
Up on the back, one of them.
Oh, that's normal. Poop is always normal in my house. Hi. Thank you. Hi. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is Hope. Hope. And this is Love. Love. Hope and Love.
Lovely name.
Thank you.
How old are they?
I love Hope.
Thank
Very
you.
beautiful.
Yeah, Hope is a rainbow macaw. So he is 5 and he is 3. We go up to the park to fly. So they just finished flying. They fly and then come back. Hey, but he's a little nippy. He's still a baby. I love. He's the biggest parrot in the world.
They're big.
Yeah, he's a like Rio, the blue macaw. Like the blue macaw. Right, Rio? Right? Blue? I mean, Love.
So they don't fly in your yard? They have to go to the park?
Well, they have harnesses and the park is nicer because of crows and hawks all over the place. And that's like a nice overview. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Do you guys watch YouTube?
Yeah?
They're famous. This is my YouTube channel. You can go subscribe. We have a lot of adventures in the park.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, you can watch. We have over 700 videos.
I love his eyes.
Carolin
Look
one
at the
Petzholdt.
Black
Yeah.
and in yellow. It's so
Yeah.
pretty.
It's beautiful how nature
I know.
designed them. Hello.
Impressive, very.
Thank you.
They're beautiful.
Are you?
Hi, Caroline.
Hi. How are you? I won't hug you because
I understand. Hi, baby. I haven't seen you for a long time. Oh, he's so beautiful.
he has grown and Hope is.
Yes. Hopi, how are you, Hopi? Why haven't you been flying over my house? Yeah, I missed them. Why haven't
you.
they been flying around?
He wasn't last time in the neighborhood and he didn't want to come down for I think like 30 minutes and all the neighbors came on the street and they're like watching.
Oh,
Hi.
aren't they gorgeous?
Gorgeous.
Dimitri, this is my friend Caroline.
Hi.
And this is Love and Hope.
Love and
Although
Hope.
she has
Love and Hope.
Faith as well. And who else? What are the other ones?
Destiny, Faith, Angel, and Glory. 6 parrots.
Wow, and how do they interact with each other and with people?
Oh, that's a whole different question. Yeah, my 3 macaws are really sweet. And then my 2 Amazons, they are a little feisty. I call them my drama queens.
Oh.
And the little one is really sweet too.
And so these ones are from.
These are the macaws.
Yeah,
Oh, these are-
he's really sweet. You can hold him.
Really?
Oh yeah, he's a baby. He's really sweet. He's the biggest parrot in the world. His species.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, go for it.
Can you take my picture?
Sure. Let me do that. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it.
He's really special.
He's very special.
Look, he's like all charmed by Dimitri. Look, he's looking right at you.
He really is looking at me.
Caroline is amazing because she free flies these birds. So she just lets them go and they're flying all over the neighborhood,
Yeah.
singing to us. This one sings all the time.
And talks and laugh and poop on people.
I mean, that's how I met you. Because he was
Yeah.
flying over my house and I followed him back to the park and there you were.
Lead him straight to me. I mean, let it straight to me. Thank you. So
That's right. Hope.
I want to ask you, Liebte Lieder House. Are you German?
Oh, no, well, no, but I trained a lot in Austria.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And Lieder is like the general word we use for classical songs that you sing and play.
Yeah.
So, love of Songhouse.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. I love it.
Great. I'm so glad you guys came by.
I am so
Thank you for
sorry.
coming.
Such a rare opportunity to see those beautiful birdies.
Absolutely.
May I have a selfie with them?
Yeah,
Or
absolutely.
someone taking pictures?
This is Hope and Love.
This is Hope and Love. You are an amazing artist.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want him on your shoulder?
Yes.
Just what? No. He's gonna take off your earrings. Yeah, and then he won't let go, and then you will have a hole in your ears.
Yeah, that might not be good.
That's not fun.
Yeah, that's why I never wear jewelry. Okay, now you're safe.
Oh, hi.
There you go. No nipping. Be nice. There's a picture.
Hello.
He likes you.
Oh, hi.
No nipping. Hey, stop. No nipping.
You're beautiful. Hello.
Hey, no nipping. No. Okay, come back.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah, way too much for him.
So he nips at some people, yes?
Some people,
those who
you
play
wanna,
Hungarian music.
or girls who have nice ears. Hoppy, stop. Don't bite my head. Yeah, they have a lot of personalities.
Very nice.
Thank you.
The light is better for you. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Take another picture. This is a nice.
Actually, the best thing to do is to get our website, the American Bee Society website, and we have an online.
All right, come on, love. Good boy. Good
Do
boy.
they talk?
Oh yeah, he's starting to say peekaboo, and he talks like when he wants to attack one other bird, he says attack. He wants them first. This guy, and then if he's hungry, you know, he makes.
Are these your birds?
Yes.
Oh, they're lovely.
Thank
they
you so
young?
much. Yeah,
What-
he
what
is
kind of
5 and he's 3.
Bird is he?
He's a blue macaw, like in the movie of Rio. Blue
Could I
macaw.
hold him?
Yeah, you can hold him. Come on, love, be nice, be gentle. There we go.
Hi, I love birds. Oh, I just love all critters. All of God's critters. Yes.
They are winged
so
creatures, not critters. They don't crawl.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, you're a beautiful creature. Look at your lovely eyes.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that beak.
Yeah, it's twice the strength of 2 pit bull jaw.
Wow.
They can.
I'm sure they could take off a finger if they really, really wanted to.
Oh yeah, in the wild, definitely the wild ones.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Yeah.
Just providing.
Hi, love.
What's her name?
Love.
Love. How appropriate, because I already love you. Yeah. Can I touch her beak, or you wouldn't recommend?
Oh yeah, just up her head.
Oh,
Yeah, he's really sweet.
I know. I can tell.
He's really sweet. He's more feisty because he's free flight trained. So he doesn't go to people and he bites, and I don't want to be a liability, and you
I
know.
understand.
But he's sweet. Very lovey. You want to come back?
Hey, love.
Good boy. Come on.
Yeah.
Step up. He likes you. Step up.
Hi, buddy.
There you go.
Oh, he didn't want to go. He could sense the love. Animals just dig me.
Yeah,
Let's take a picture with the bird.
absolutely. You want him on your shoulder? You don't have any earrings or anything, right?
No earrings.
Who's gonna take your picture?
Yeah.
Oh, your brother?
Yes.
Okay, cool. There you go. Hi. There you go. Good. There we go. Yeah, you can peck his tail. Oh, be nice.
Claws got stuck in my shirt.
Yes, he did.
Hold on, buddy. There you go.
You got it. Thank you.
Hi, love.
Bye.
Been an honor meeting you.
Yeah. If you, do you guys? Oh, now he's feisty. Do you watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are famous. Like, this is my YouTube channel. Yeah, you can
check it out.
check it out.
All right.
Would you like one too? No? Okay.
I just love animals. I'm a horse owner, and
Oh,
I
nice.
love all creatures.
I see your horse, Mars.
Yes, indeed.
That's
yes.
nice.
I had it tailored just for me, actually.
That's really creative.
Yes.
That's cool.
Thank you.
They scream at horse. They are afraid.
Oh,
If they see a
okay.
horse, it's a big giant for
That's
them.
what did this to my arm.
You fell? the horse?
She spooked me. Bam! I went down very, very fast.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It could have been worse. It honestly could have been fatal.
Is it broken?
No. Yeah, it was on the side of our house, and my dad started off the saw, and boom, she went insane, and I had my hand like this, and it just tugged me down to the ground, and my shoulder is the one that took the brunt of the fall. And also, there's a couple stitches
Oh my god.
here.
Did
And
they?
honestly, it hurts as much as when I got shot.
Wow.
Huh? Well, actually, the doctor urged me to be doing this, this, and this, and
We're gonna go inside to get some refreshments.
by all means. By all
Bye.
Such a large part of the population.
Hey, yeah. So what happened?
Okay, so this is the story of Babu. Babu was a bird that my mother was given parrots, so many parrots to get from people that couldn't take care of them.
Like rescues?
Rescues, yeah. She just loved birds, and she had enough money where she built the whole room into the corner of the house overlooking the pool. And there was a bird that was given to us called Babu, and he was very beautiful. His blue head with purple. I never saw him, and he was bigger than an Amazon, but he was extremely violent. And he taught all the birds in the flock to be violent, and he was just so angry. So we had to keep him separately. And then when she passed away, or before she passed away, they moved out to our place out in Wonder Valley, which is out past Joshua Tree. And so it was a lone house. We had a huge eucalyptus tree, and the birds were always allowed to go wherever they wanted to. So the birds were in the eucalyptus tree, and they were in the room. And one day I walked into the bird. We had made a special stone air-conditioned bird room out there. I was in a hurry. It was late. I walked in too fast, and Babu launched onto my finger and grabbed it. And
So now it's crooked?
Yeah, he wouldn't let go. He also did this the same day. He bit me here, so I was
In
like,
your eye?
oh, yeah, he almost took out my, just because I was in a hurry, I knew better. You know, we've had birds our entire lives.
Yeah.
I walked into the room, I left him, and he jumped on me, got me here, and he attached himself here, so I was rushing out. I couldn't go, and I was like, let go, and he's chewing like a shark, and I finally just put my hand in the jacuzzi, and I know, it's like, he just,
With him,
let
including
go.
him, with
Yes,
him in the jacuzzi,
because he wouldn't
just
let
like,
go. So he just shot straight up, and he was like, he's so violent. He was a horrible bird. So I heard our neighbors had birds, and it was about half a mile to a mile away. So I walked over there that same day, and I said, I hear you have parrots. Do you want another one? And they said, sure. I said, but you have to be careful. He's extremely violent. He's psychotic. You have to keep him. I said, I don't know. If you take him, you have to watch out he doesn't bother your other birds.
yeah. And teach bad behavior.
Yeah, teach bad behavior. He taught all the birds, and he stole. We had a bonded pair of Plato and Barney. He stole Plato away from Barney. And it was a yellowhead, so there was nothing in common. He stole Plato away, so I said, okay, you're going. So she said, okay, I'll take him. And so I took him over that same night, got him somehow with a stick into a carrier. And about a week later, she called. I went over there, and she said, are you sure this bird is violent? Because we love him. He's wonderful.
Wow.
And I said, no, Babu's he's crazy. I said, be careful, be very careful.
Yeah.
I said, and then a month later, they called me again and said, will you come over? And I went over there, and they said, will you stand by the cage? And I'm like, no, I don't want him to reinforce his behavior of attacking.
Yeah.
And they said, but because he's wonderful, he's beautiful. They said, we took him to the veterinarian, and the vet said, what's your name? And he said, Bobby George.
Aww.
And it was like, he said his name was George. That wasn't his name. It's like his whole personality flipped. But anyways, I went over there, and I walked next to the cage. He took one look at me, and he went, wham! And he hit the bars of the cage so hard.
Something.
And I never did anything to this bird. I mean, all the other birds in the family were fine with me. But he's still there. I went by there, and that was That was 8 years ago.
He's still with that
He's
family?
still with that family. Yeah. I
That's
went
a happy
by.
end story.
Yeah.
I love it.
And the thing was that her daughter was actually, they thought she was terminally ill. And so somehow the bird just bonded with her.
Yeah.
And just decided, this is my favorite. So yeah, it was a happy ending for Babu. My finger's still crooked.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a beautiful story though. A happy end at the end.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
Oh, sure.
Birds have their preferences. Either they hate you or they love you immediately. And then they say sometimes birds have their favorites, man or woman bird. Yeah, it could be sometimes like they want a man or a younger kid. Hey, don't. He wants attention. I have to get going. Well, thank you so much to share your beautiful story with me. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
For these guys, there's so many that need rescues.
That's true.
Yeah.
So,
Some of them are like
so
that
many
too.
out there.
That little one.
Yeah.
I always hope people like you
gets the
taking
piece,
care of them.
he can't stop it.
Yeah, it's a full-time job.
Oh yeah, I know.
It's like taking care of 6 toddlers.
Yeah.
If you can't handle a bird, you can handle a kid. Hey, no, not my keys.
The house is all wood inside, or we would have our birds. My birdie has Plato and Barney. But that Plato story is a whole nother story. I have to come over and hear Plato's story.
Yeah, I would love to. Let me give you my card.
Later.
Hi, Opie. Look what's there. Wait, do you see what I see? Yeah, the strawberry. God. Enjoy.